Painting small vehicle parts like rear view mirrors, door handles or covers has always been a troublesome business. So much time invested in masking and improvising a solution for attaching each piece. A far too rudimentary method that is now, thankfully, consigned to history. With Bossauto Innova's magnetic clamp, this previously awkward process becomes a simple step. The clamp has an adaptable width and is designed to facilitate the introduction of any type of component. A powerful magnet with 40% more strength than conventional ones allows the clamp to be held to any metallic surface. This magnet can hold an object of up to 1 kilogram on its own. Once you have fixed the parts to the magnetic clamps, the painting process is conducted cleanly and very quickly, guaranteeing optimum results.